Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Safrizan Nuri, EC 19022. Today I want to talk about my assignment task, which is the pulse code modulation. Okay, what is the pulse code modulation? Pulse code modulation is a series of pulse which the amplitude of the information signal at the given time is coded as the binary number. Okay, the pulse code modulation involving three step or three process, which is sampling, quantizing, and encoding. Okay, what is sampling? Sampling is, what I can say is, where you sample out the information from information signal into the pulse signal. Okay. uh, Next, the quantizing. Quantizing is when is the process we run off the sample input to the closest level. Okay, the quantizing involving calculation, which is you have to calculate first. You have to calculate the level. Okay, the level of numbers, which bits you want to encode. Okay, let's say you want to encode 3 bits. Okay, you get the 4 level. If you want 3 bits, you get 8 level. Okay, next, the quantizing also, you have to calculate delta V, or quantizing interval, which is this is the formula. Then the formula also use you to calculate the quantizing value, quantization value. Okay, this is the mean minimum of the graph. Okay, next I will show you what is the minimum m min. Okay, next, we go to the MATLAB. Okay, next we go to the MATLAB. Okay, this is how we look the circuit to create the pulse code modulation. Okay, this is the first thing is the sine wave. Okay, normal sine wave. I set at the amplitude is at 8. The frequency is radian 3% radian per second. So you have to convert from hertz to radian per second, which 31.4 is 5 hertz, and the sample time I set at 0.0001. Okay, and then this is the pulse wave. This is the pulse wave with which I set at amplitude is 1, and the period is at 0.01, which is at 100 hertz, and the pulse width is at 20%. Okay, then this is the product where we combine these two signal into one, which is become PAM, pulse amplitude modulation. Okay, then this is where we want to flat top the signal. Okay, what is flat top? Flat top is I can show you. Okay, this is the flat top. Okay, this is the flat top. Okay, this is the flat top where at the top is flat, where if you didn't put these tools where zero order hole, you can get the natural sampling. Okay, so I put that zero holder to make the flat top. Okay, and then you set the sampling time is at 001. Same also with the pulse generator, and then press OK, and then you hit run. Okay, then you, after finish, you double click at the scope, then you get this graph. Okay, the first graph is the information signal, and the second graph is the pulse signal. Okay, then with the combine, they will produce the PAM. Okay, this is not the last one, the last stage. This is at the middle one. Okay, so from this stage, we will sample out it into the calculation. Okay, this is the calculation that I already done. Okay, this is the calculation that I already done. Okay, so I used 3 bits, so will have 8 level. Then we will calculate interval with delta v. Then we get at 2. Then we calculate the quantized value, which is right there. Okay, before this I tell you what is to find L mean. Okay, L mean, which is you get is 2, right? The quantizing interval. Okay, 2 is mean, like here. Okay, this is 8. Okay, this is the 8 8 level. You choose to be 8 level, so the level will be at the 2 range. So this is the minimum is -8, and the maximum is 8. Okay, so the first level is between -8 and -6. Then the second level is -6 to -4. Then it's going up. Okay, so -4 to -2, -2 to 0, 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, and 6 to 8. So the level will choose what you calculate early. Okay, then after you get that, okay, the minimum. Okay, like for the first level, okay, the first level is level 0. The quantizing is at 7 because the minimum is at -8. And then you substitute in quantitative is 2, and the divide by 2, so you get 7. Then you calculate again. Then you get this this table. Okay, next the quantizing. Okay, then you sample out from the sample graph. Okay, from this graph. Okay, from this graph. Okay, how to sample it? Okay, you select here. No, just select here, measure, and then you get 3 selection. Okay, 3 selection. Then you know it. Okay, the pulse you set before is 0.01, so you can calculate it every time, every 0.01. Okay, so you calculate 0.01. Okay, then you here is so this is the amplitude of the graph. Okay, 0.01. Then you continue until 0.02, 0.03, until 0.2. Okay, so here is how the table will what you get. Okay, so the sample, this is how I already get the sample value. Then the quantized value. Okay, how to choose the quantized value? Okay, you for example, I pick the sample type 001. The sample value is 2.47. So 2.47. Then you pick the you look at the voltage range. So 2.27 is between 2 to 4 voltage range. So you put you take the quantized value is 3. Then to put the PCM code, you choose this binary code. Then you pick the binary. So here this is for the second example is 4.7. The quantized value is at 5, and then the binary code is at 001. Okay, this is the quantized error. You subtract the quantized value and the sample value, and then you get the quantized error. Okay, from the then you get, this is the PCM code of the graph. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.